So, nagpa-check up ako kasi palaging sumasakit. Okay, and then, hindi ko makontrol yung ihip.
That's
What I said. You're over-dramatic. You don't hide
And
it.
then if I go out and buy more, you're like, I'm buying for it because we got it here. Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning! Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys! So, ngayon, Saturday, plano namin ni Tami, punta kami sa isang bahay. At hindi din tumawag yung kapatid ni Tami. So, yun. Punta kami sa isang bahay sana. Look, pinasok ko ito, guys, talaga, guys, kasi sobrang, yung parang hindi maginaw pa rin talaga. Hindi pa nga ako nag-ano sa garden. Sa yard natin. Walay. And itong mga halaman ko na binili, nilagay ko dito para maarawan. So ngayon, gusto kong tubigan kasi nag-dry na yung iba. Ang ginaw-ginaw dito. Grabe. Okay pa naman sila. Buhay pa naman. So yun. So, yun, buhay pa naman sila. So, which is good. Look, buhay pa. Bahala dito. Mabasa itong ni Tamimoy dito. Nasa box naman ito siya. Yan. Hala, hala. Hala, dumadami yung tubig. Okay. Yun. Okay. Bahala na si Batman. Basta kay ito na hindi ko pa yan matatanim kasi sobrang ginaw sa labas. Maaraw naman din. May araw. At saka yung pitche bok choy ko, bok choy, tumubo na yung bok choy, tumubo na yung litos, at saka nag-start na din yung scallion, and also nag-start na din yung tomato, tumubo. And iwan ko, guys, mga next week, I think maganda yung temperature. Meron pa akong tapusin yung bricks na nilagay ko to line sa garden, sa flower natin. Meron pa doong kailangan ko talagang kaso mainit. I think mamaya ng hapon ako babalik doon sa labas. Pakita ko nga sa inyo. Yung sa likuran, guys, dyan, lupa pa yan. Hindi ko pa matapos-tapos talaga. Yung bag, ito, mulch yan. So, hindi ko pa talaga natapos-tapos kasi, kahapon ulan. Punta tayo sa labas. I think it's time na to warak-warak sa labas. Supposedly, punta kami doon sa isang bahay. Yun yung plano talaga. Diba? Hindi nag-text yung kapatid ni Tami, wala. So, supposedly, punta kami. Hold on. So, ngayon, yung ulo ni Mr. at sa kalingin likod, nag-start naman. Gusto niya pumunta doon, pero sabi ko, wag na. Kasi yung likod niya. So, sabi ko, mag-garden na lang ako. Pero baka mamaya, I don't know kung anong plano. Mamaya. Naglaba lang din ako, guys. Andrea called. You don't know what's hurting? Gusto niyang pumunta talaga doon. Yung kapatid niya hindi din nag-contact. galing ako sa labas. And hindi pa ako tapos guys. Kasi, yung isang kahoy, diba doon ako galing. Yung dito ko guys, grabe. Pakita ko nga sa inyo eh. So, yung dito ko is sobrang sakit. Grabe yung sakit. Akala ko, magpupo or something, ganun. So, sabi ko, oh my God. So, continue lang din ako. Sobrang tight ng jeans ko. Sobrang tight. So, sabi ko, tinanggal ko yung Sabi ko, okay, continue tayo sa isang tray. So, naglagay ako ng material. Sabi ko, hindi ako makahinga. Sabi ko, hindi ako makahinga. At so, every time I fold my knee, hindi ako makatayo dahil sa sakit, sa arthritis. Sabi ko, patay. Pumasok ako dito, pumunta ako sa bathroom, matagal ako sa bathroom, nakaupo, walang nangyari. Pinupush ko, walang nangyari. Kasi sobrang sakit dito guys na naapektuhan yung hinga ko. So sabi ko, so nag-change ako ng maluwag. Look. Kasi, yung jeans is parang pinipiga yung ko dito, yung puson ko, pinipiga. Naisip ko tuloy habang nakaupo ako sa sana hindi bumalik yung chest. Basta yung pula. Noong, matagal na yun guys, noong unang panahon, I think that was 2003 or 2002, I don't know when was that. So, nagpa-check up ako. Kasi palaging sumasakit. Okay? And then, hindi ko makontrol yung ihi. Matagal na yun. Hindi ko makontrol yung ihi. Ihi ako ng ihi. Nagpa-check up ako. So, ang hindi ko makalimutan, sabi pa ng obigay ko, meron daw akong tumutubong mga. So, sabi pa niya, hindi daw cancerous. Ano daw siya, parang magmi-melt. Mawala lang siya. Pero kailangan mo siyang i-treat. Mag-treatment ka para mawala siya. Binigyan ako ng prescription na ipasok sa puwerta mo. Para siyang tablet, refrigerated siya ba? Mag-melt siya. So, ipasok mo siya, yun yung makatulong. So, yun yung ginawa ko hanggang matapos ko yung yung medication. And then, yun yung ginawa ko. Naging okay siya, wala akong naramdaman, ganon. So, every time na ngayon, na sobrang sakit talaga, guys. Parang pinipiga talaga, guys. So, ngayon, kailangan ko talagang magpaubigay ni guys. Kailangan talaga akong magpa-check up. Parang na talaga itong ko dito. So, pahinga-hinga lang ako kasi naapektuhan yung hininga ko. Andun si Tammy sa sasakyan niya kasi meron siyang dala kahapon, di ba? So, yan. So, continue tayo doon mamaya kapag okay na itong naramdaman ko. Hello, guys! Finally, it's done out there. Look, tignan niyo. It's very pretty! I like it. Pero yung grass, it's ugly grass. I'm sorry, the grass. But, it's nice na cover na yung roots ng ng kahoy. And this other one here. The next steps is guys, I'm going to put yung binili namin na bricks. So, yun. And yung garden ko is empty still because it's freezing outside, guys. Honestly, guys, hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit. Ang ginaw sa labas. Yung bok choy ko doon, tumubo na. Namamatay. Nag-slowly died because of the cold. And luckily, yung ko, my Tammy's, I planted something for Tammy like lettuce. Luckily, the lettuce love this kind of weather. They survive. But iceberg. So, luckily, they survive because, you know what? And then, I need more because I need more mix lettuce kasi Tammy love lettuce. So, that's what I'm gonna eat also this summer. Salad, 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 salad. And Tammy is making some. What are you making, love? A wrap. Binihis ko lang itong, binalik ko lang kasi hindi pa ako naliligo. And what happened? What Andrea has to say? You don't say it, why I don't answer her call?
No. So I try to get in touch with people, nobody answers. Oh. I didn't get no calls. Oh, I didn't call. I text messaged you yesterday. You text messaged me when? Oh, I don't know. Well, you know.
Anyway, guys. So, punta sana kami sa isang bahay talaga. Ang tumawag yung kapatid ni Mr. Cupido. And, na-busy ako kanina. Andun sa labas, tumawag. Sabi ko, tawagan mo balik para kung ano yung balita. And doon, meron na silang plano. So, hindi na lang talaga kami doon pupunta. Kasi may ano na sila. Kasi may plano na silang makipagkita daw sila sa anak niya at sa mga apo. I can feel the wind when I was there. Nung ako sa labas, guys, inano ko lang, guys, umulan konti. Sabi ko, oh my God, bilisan ko. Kasi umulan. So, yun, pahinga na lang din ako. Galing ako sa labas. Pahinga na lang, mag-i-edit na lang tayo ng video. And look.
He spends a fortune every year making sure nobody ever hears of it. He buys newspapers just to keep his name.
Monkey. Anyway, so yun lang yung walang ganap. Okay, it's time to guys, it's time to cut buhok sa mga paa ng alaga natin, Roxy and Misty. And bago yan, okay, come here. Come right here. Where are you? Alright, hello, sorry, sorry, Rox. Come. Okay, ito siya. Look. Yan. Kailangan pang dagdagan. What? I'm gonna cut your hair. Okay? Oh, Misty, gusto niya to. I'll cut your hair, okay? Okay? Hello. Okay. Good picture. Okay naman. Ay, basura eh. Dagdagan pa eh. Kailangan dagdagan ng mga mulch. Look, at saka lagyan ng boundary. Yung linya. Para hindi lalabas yung mulch. Yan. Maganda naman siya. Yan. Happy na yan. Okay. Who's ready? Are you ready na? Okay, come here, Roxy. Let's go. Come, this way here, Roxy. Roxy, come. I'm not done. Come over here.
You're good.
Stand up, baby. Stand up. Good girl. So, ngayon, tapos na ako. Kinat ko lang yung si Misty at saka si Roxy. Hindi ko pinilm si Misty. Ay, wala kasi kaming magawa, guys. Ngayon, naglilinis lang ako dito sa counter. Kasi, nilagay ni Tami yung trimmer ng aso. Hi, guys! Hindi pa ako naligo. Maghakbat lang po ako mamaya. Ngayon, it's 6:04 na. Sabi pa ni Tami, we have to eat. So, hindi ako nagluluto. Ang inano lang namin is leftover. Tami is eating. He's going to eat the the
Soup and a salad.
chicken soup and the salad. Me, I'm gonna have the rice, the broccoli rub, and the leftover steak and small piece of pork. So, yun lang yung ano ko. So, mag-have ba tayo mamaya kasi ang dami ng buhok ng ano ko kasi si Habs sobrang clingy. I have a lot of here. Yeah.
If you're smart, you put rice on now so you have it.
Hala, it smells good. The chicken soup, it smells good.
If you're smart, you put... Just saying. Otherwise tomorrow you... I get no rice. This way you're making it now and you have it.
What I'm gonna see usually, I don't rice.
I get no rice.
That's what I said. You're over dramatic, Han.
I don't think so.
Han, you're over dramatic everything.
I
Hey, can you bring the salt here, please? Thank you, Lalab. So, kain lang kami, guys. Gutom na pala yung tiyan ko, eh. Hi, guys. Hello. Hello, everything. Nakapag-half bath tayo, guys. Kasi para maging presko naman yung pakiramdam natin, diba? Kanina pa pala ito. Pagkatapos naming nag-dinner, sabi pa ni Tami, oh, kailangan mong magluto ng kanin kasi, you know, kanina, diba? Bukas daw ng umaga, mag-ano na naman daw ako. Kanina pa ito, nakalimutan kong i-unplug. Ang pinakatakot pa naman ako sa mga ganito, rice cooker na on palagi, di ba? Nakakatakot yung ganon. Dapat i-unplug yung refrigerator. Rice cooker pala, eh. So, bukas, we have rice. Kasi, hubby remind us. Nadukot yun taon siya, eh. Anong tawag yun? Anong English sa dukot, guys? Yun yung pinaka-ano talaga, di ba, sa Pilipinas? Mag-usap tayo, oh. Sa English sa dukot, be? Anong English sa dukot? Hindi ko nga alam sa Tagalog, eh. So, comment down below what is the English of dukot. Han, what is the English of this? Like when you have a dark spot under and hard, become black under because it's over.
Burnt?
There is not just burnt. There is a dukot. I know there is an English of dukot.
Well done.
No.
You're looking at
No, there is.
Dark
Dukot.
spot, liver spots. What do you want?
Dukot, Han, the burnt part.
That's it, burn spot.
I know we called it the burnt part, but the dukot is a word, so there is an English.
There's an English word for dukot.
Say it.
Dukot.
Yeah, it's a dukot. Okay, let me soak the dukot. Harden a little bit. So yun, guys. Nagkadukot-dukot dito ang siya, eh. Gamay ra, konti lang. This time I forget to unplug this. What are you laughing for? Don't laugh. Don't laugh at me.
I have to get the unplug. Open your mouth.
It's too big.
There.
Oh. And I'm not like you have too big mouth. No, I'm done. I told you I can't eat fruit at night. And then this is the time that you really eat fruit at night. This is something wrong with them. Okay, so this is it. We have to let it dry. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Say night night, love.
Good night, love.
Guys, I called you love.
You said say night night, love.
Han, say night night.
Night night.
Honey.
Night night, honey.
That's how annoying he is. Ingara on, eh? Ingara. Ninggara man ay sa likay gwapo. Ninggara man ay si bye-bye na that we can end the vlog.
Hi guys. So I need that threaded needle.
I'll do that.
You will do it. Just give me a damn needle and thread. I don't have 6 years.
And because you are like your mother. Oh, I have to plan this, but expected me to do it.
I don't expect you to do it. Give me a needle and
Well,
thread.
you are like your
You like to
mother.
hide everything and then I can't do it.
You don't hide
And
it.
then if I go out and buy more, you're like, I'm buying for it because we got it here.
And you overreacted. I never talk like that.
Okay.
Anyway guys, good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat guys sa panonood. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Good night guys. Bye. Good night.